What's up guys, Surge here.
So the Google Pixel 3 will definitely support the wireless charging feature. Thanks to a new leak from MySmartPrice which clearly shows a press render of what Google will allegedly call the Pixel stand, the views from the bottom of the stand, and as you can see that this is a wireless charger that will hold the device in an upright position. There's a recess on the bottom to make room for the USB cable which is said to be USB Type-C. The bottom also features a familiar orange color and the Google logo. Now, we are hearing rumors of wireless charging for the Pixel 3 and 3 XL go all the way back to June. We discovered some references, some APK teardowns, and also some leaked screenshots of the enlarged Google Assistant UI for docking mode, but this time it seems a lot more real than those previous leaks. Additionally, MySmartPrice says that it could feature a built-in speaker, which means that there should be a Bluetooth on board. They also mentioned that Pixel 3 will support fast charging with the Pixel stand. All after that, I just want to see the capability of this Pixel stand, as Samsung wireless dock are super cool in terms of charging, and for Google, it is important to defeat Samsung in this segment, of course, as it's the same price with the premium brand image. We have got this new leaked DxOMark list which shows DxOMark scores of several unreleased phones, and here the Mate 20 Pro leads the pack with 116 score. Google Pixel 3 stands at number 3 with a score 107, similar to the Mate 20. You can pause the video here to have a look at this list. Now, there's a high possibility that the above list is fake, but if it's real, then Apple and Samsung will significantly improve the camera next year. So yeah, tell me your thoughts about this in the comments down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Till then, peace out.